Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter here, simple equation. So before that, going to the chapter, let us know what is constant, what is variable, and expression and equation. So these are the important things you have to know. So what is constant here? So a fixed numerical value. So a fixed numerical value is known as a constant. So numerical means what here? Nothing but numbers. So all the numbers. Here the constant value, it will not change. The values will not change here. Yes. The better example in the constants are number of days in a week. So number of days in a week are 7. It will not change. So it is common for the weeks. And then the other examples are, so number of months in a year. So how many months? We know that 12 months. So this is also a constant here. So what are the other examples? 2, 5, 7. These are all of the numbers here. So these are all about constant. So next one, coming to the next one, we will see about the variable here. So what is variable? Various numerical value is known as a variables. So what is the definition here? Variable. So various numerical value is known as variable. So various means what here? What is the meaning? Different. So different numerical values is known as the variables. So variables are denoted by, generally variables are denoted by all the alphabets. So the example is here. In the mathematics, most commonly we are using the letters here X, Y and Z, or L, M, N, or we can take it as A, B, C. So these are the most letters we are using in the mathematics. So what is meant by an expression here? So combination of both variables and constant is known as a combination of constant and variable. So which is formed by the mathematical operation, plus, minus and multiply and division, and it is separated by the symbols. So plus and minus. Okay, let us take the small example here. So I am taking here 5 plus 2. So what you will tell? 5 plus 2. So here we will take the example 5 plus 2 is equal to. So what is the answer? You will tell immediately. All the numbers are constant. You will tell the answer like this. So if it is the number is unknown, what will you do? So let us take the same example here. I am giving in wordings. Okay. So which number is added to get 7 here? Okay. So I am giving the same example like this. So which number is added to get 7 here? So we don't know the value here. So this unknown value is known as variable. So let us take that X value here. So this is known as variable. And 2 and 7 are constant. So these are all constant value. So look at here. When you take only the X plus 2, so it is known as expression. Okay. So what is the value of X here? What is the value of X? 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Okay. Here the value we got the X value as 5. So the expression on the left hand side and the expression, the value of the expression of the right hand side, which is separated by the equal symbol, that is known as the next definition is equation. So that is LHS is equal to the RHS. So LHS means here the value of this expression. So the value of this expression, what is the expression here? X plus 2. And the RHS is equal to the what is the RHS value here? The value of the RHS value is here 7. So what is the X value you got here? 5. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So 7 is equal to 7. So this is about the equation.